Let me share the secret of my breakfast shake. A quick and easy recipe you can make. Green leafy vegetables is how you start. Micronutrients and it's good for your heart. Add a splash of milk, the kind you prefer. Switch on the Vitamix and give it a whir. It's best to blend now if you're wondering why. Let all the ingredients emulsify. A dollop of yogurt, banana, just a tip. Crack an egg up in there for some extra whip. To boost protein flavor, you can add nut butter and a touch of cocoa powder, Ghirardelli or another. If you want to make it a bit of a treat, add a touch of honey to make it sweet. Pour it in a cup, it's ready to drink. Balanced breakfast for your body and mind to think.